Ready to go, friend?
Yes, let's fly! The forest is beautiful today. It is. Adventure awaits. That sounds like the great lord of the sky.
Aquilo must be wrong, Columba. He knows the mountains themselves are falling.
I cannot fly, you go and save your life!
We cannot leave you here alone.
I understand, my friend. I am here to eat eagle. Please help me, I am hurt. My heart is in peril.
I will help you.
I will try to stop the cat.
You? A little bee? How?
You'll see! Go away, do not disturb me. Shoo, I said leave me alone. Get out of here. Leave me alone, you idiot dove.
Run away, cat, otherwise you will pay.
You don't scare me.
Screech! Thank you, friend. You saved my life. You are very brave, bird.
Thank you, eagle.
Thank you, little friends. Today you both proved that unity is strength.